Hello everyone, my name is Balaji Palke and today's video topic is array in Java. Array is the collection of homogeneous type of data into any object. So it is called array. So array is basically object and it allocates the memory into the heap memory. In array there are basically three types. First one is the one-dimensional array, and second one is the two-dimensional array, and another one is the three-dimensional array. In array, there is one big disadvantage of array is we have to give the length of an array. So length is basically what is the size of the array. So the size of array is fixed and it should be given while declaring the array or while creation of array. So if we are created an array of size 100, and if there is any there are only 50 elements into that array, then all the 50 elements which are absent or which are empty, that will be also containing some space. So there is one memory issue. So that's why this is the advantage of the array, and the array contains the similar type of data only. So if we are containing the integer type of data into any array, so then we will input only the integer type of data. We are not storing the string or the boolean type of data or the double type of data or decimal type of data basically. So in array, if we can take any number as per our requirement. That is, we can trace any number into that array. So how to get that number? By using the index. So an index of array start with 0 and it will continue till the its size of array -1. So if there is array size of 10, then the maximum index of that array is 9. That is index having relation with the size, that our index is equal to our length of size of an array -1. So that is the relation between size and the index of array. And in array we are going to achieve any collection of data which we cannot store into any variable. So if we store any variable for the collection of data, so it will be so more complicated and it will consume more memory, and because there is assignment of that value into that variable, then there will be some use of wrapper classes. That's why these methods are not very efficient. So array is come into picture, and array used for the collection of the data. So this is from my side. Thank you.